Imagine booking that dream vacation without checking your bank account, buying your dream home, or having the peace of mind to support your loved ones in times of need. These aren't just fantasies, they're achievable goals. In today's video, we're going to show you how to recognize the 10 signs you're doing well financially. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or you've been at it for a while, these signs will help you gauge your financial health and give you the confidence to keep moving forward. So stay tuned. 1. A healthy emergency fund. Our first sign that you're doing well financially is having a healthy emergency fund. In life, unexpected challenges can arise at any moment. It's vital to prepare for these surprises by building an emergency fund. Start by aiming to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a dedicated savings account. This financial cushion serves as a safety net, offering both peace of mind and security during tough times. Having this fund ensures you won't be caught off guard by unexpected expenses, allowing you to navigate financial hurdles with confidence. 2. Debt under control. Sign number 2, you have your debts under control. Effectively managing debt is a crucial step toward financial success. If you're grappling with debt, craft a repayment plan, prioritizing high-interest debts. Once you become debt-free, redirect those payments toward wealth-building efforts. This strategy not only relieves financial burden but also paves the way for long-term financial security and prosperity. 3. Consistent savings. The third sign of financial well-being is maintaining consistent savings habits. Take the hassle out of saving by automating it. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings or investment accounts. This way, you prioritize your financial future by consistently saving without the temptation to spend. It's a simple yet effective way to reach your financial goals. 4. Investment portfolio. Sign number 4. You have a diversified investment portfolio. For beginners in investing, education is the first step. Take the time to learn about different investment options and strategies. If you're unsure, consider seeking guidance from a financial advisor. They can help you create a diversified portfolio tailored to your financial objectives, risk tolerance, and time horizon. This ensures your investments align with your long-term goals and financial security. 5. Retirement planning. Our fifth sign, you have a solid retirement plan in place. Jumpstart your retirement savings early by contributing to accounts like a 401k or an IRA. Compounding interest grows your investments over time, making even modest contributions today potentially substantial wealth in the future. Starting early harnesses the full power of compounding and secures your retirement with less financial strain. 6. Adequate insurance coverage. Having the right insurance coverage is essential for financial security. Whether it's health, life, auto, or home insurance, having adequate coverage safeguards you and your loved ones from unexpected financial burdens in case of emergencies or accidents. 7. Financial goals. The seventh sign, you have clear financial goals. Define clear financial goals that are specific, measurable, and attainable. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having well-defined objectives creates a roadmap for your financial journey. These goals provide direction, allow you to track progress, and keep you motivated as you work toward achieving your financial aspirations. 8. Continuous learning. Sign number 8, you're committed to continuous financial learning. Continuously educate yourself in personal finance by reading books, listening to podcasts, and exploring online resources. Expanding your knowledge equips you with the tools to make informed financial decisions. Staying up to date on financial trends and strategies empowers you to navigate the complexities of money management and achieve your financial goals with confidence. 9. Generosity. Our ninth sign, you're able to give back to others. Consider incorporating charitable giving into your financial plan. Beyond helping those in need, acts of generosity can enrich your life with a deep sense of fulfillment and purpose. Giving back aligns your financial success with making a positive impact on the world. creating a win-win situation where both you and others benefit from your generosity. 10. Financial peace of mind. Lastly, the 10th sign. You have financial peace of mind. Remember that financial success is not a destination, but a journey. Achieving financial peace of mind is about balance, discipline, and the knowledge that you're making progress. So, there you have it, the 10 signs that indicate you're doing well financially. Remember, it's not about comparing yourself to others, but about achieving your own financial goals and finding security and happiness in your financial journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more valuable financial tips and advice.